How to see restricted accounts on Messenger. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how you can see the restricted accounts on Messenger. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger application on your device. Now once you are logged in, tap on this menu icon right here. Now tap on settings right here. Here scroll down and tap on this privacy and safety. Tap on it. Here scroll down. Here you can see restricted accounts. Tap on it. Here all the restricted accounts will be listed. Now you can also add some of them from here. Tap on add and you can add from here anyone like this. Tap and restrict to this person. In this way they will be added to the restricted accounts. And that's it. This is how easy it is to add someone on restricted accounts. Hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.